Hello everyone, welcome to our RoboSphere YouTube channel. There's 5 things in my hand: a breadboard, an LED, and a battery connector, and a resistor are all need to build your very first working circuit. No soldering, no special tools, just plug and play. By the end of this video, you will have an glowing LED on your desk and you will understand exactly why each part is there, and let's build. Before we build, let's meet the team. The first one is our breadboard. So it looks very confusing at first, but it's actually very simple. Inside there are metal strips connecting the holes in rows. Okay, anything you plug into the same row is automatically connected. The two long strips on the sides, this marked as positive and negative, this is called power rails. We connect the battery on here. Okay. So the next one is LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. So the LED have two legs. So one is longer one, another one is shorter one, and the longer one is anode. So that is positive, and the shorter one is negative. That is cathode. So the current must flow from anode to cathode, or the LED will not light up. So this is very important, remember it. Okay, so this is LED, light emitting diode. So the next one is our battery. 9-volt battery. So is our voltage source. Our water tank from last episode, it pushes electrons through the circuit. So this is the 9-volt battery we used here. Okay. Last episode, we learned the resistance controls the current. So an LED only handles small amount of current, around 20 milliamperes. So here we are using 9-volt battery will push much more than that and destroy the LED. So we need a resistor to protect it. And we will calculate exactly which resistor to use in this moment.
How do you choose the right resistor? Here we are using 9-volt battery and LED. So in which resistor we will be used? So LED needs 2 volt, battery gives 9 volt. The difference must be handled by the resistor. So VR is equal to 9 volt minus 2 volt, the 7 volt. So the resistor must absorb the extra 7 volt. So R is equal to, by the Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. So R is equal to 7 by 0.02, 350 ohm. We have to use it 330 ohm and 470 ohm. Here we are using 470 ohm because it's slightly dimmer, safer circuit. But in the case of 330 ohm, it's brighter the LED only. So that's why we are using 470 ohm.
The next one is battery connector. This is the wire we have to connect our battery to the breadboard. Okay. So let's build the circuit step by step. So first of all, I will take the breadboard in my hand. You can see it on the breadboard. They have a positive and negative power rails, and also they have an ABCD alphabets over there, and also the counting 1 to 30 counting over there. So these holes are the rows in holes are interconnected. So now I will take the LED also in my hand. The LEDs have positive and negative, and the positive side is anode and negative side is cathode. So now I take this positive and negative, and I just connected the B row in the breadboard, and B row the counting is almost you have to put it in any way. I'm just putting the second row, the positive side on my left side and negative on my right side. Okay, I just connected like this. I think you can see it. So next one is I take the I already told you the current, the resistance will control the current. So we need a resistor. So the resistor doesn't have any positive or negative legs. Only they have two legs, but they don't have any positive or negative. So just take the resistors like straight, should be straight. And from the positive side, I already told you the anode is it's on my left side, and the cathode on my right side. So the positive should be connected from the positive side, and the same row I will connect it to this positive rail on the breadboard. In the same row, I already told you in a breadboard the rows are connected. So the same row of this LED's positive leg should be connected to a resistor and should connected to the positive rail of the breadboard. Okay. And the next part, I take the battery and battery connector on my hand, and this battery connector should be connected to the battery. So I connected like this. Just press it. Okay. Now I got two wires. This red one is positive and the black one is negative. You can see it. This is negative. The black side is negative and the positive. Red one is positive. Okay. So now I take both things in my hand, and this negative side of this battery should be connected to the same row of the negative leg of LED. So anywhere you have to put it, and the same row you have to put it, and also put the positive on this ray, positive ray. So now you have to see the LED is glowing like this. So the positive should be connected to the positive rail of the resistor, this rail. Okay, the negative should be connected to the same row of the LED's cathode. Okay, negative leg. I think all of you got it. And I will change this LED to another LED, and I will show you how it will glow. I changed the LED. Instead of red, I put the green one, and other one I will put another LED also. I will put this is red, and another one. Another one is yellow. Okay. Here you can see I connected this in proper way, but the LED doesn't work properly. So what does the LEDs doesn't work properly? Can anyone guess? Yeah. So the first one is the LED is wrong way to connect it. That is the most common mistake. So you have to flip that LED and try it again. And the next reason is connections are in wrong rows. Remember, only holes in the same row are connected properly. Okay. And the next one is the resistors making wrong values, or resistors missing or a wrong value. Without the resistor, the LED will glow very brighter, and once in 1 second, and after that it will burn out. So burn out forever. So always use correct proper resistor. And the another one is the battery is weak. The 9-volt battery that has been used many times may not have enough power. So try a fresh battery, it will work it properly. Okay. Before you go, I have something special for this episode. I'm doing a giveaway. Here how to win. In the comments below, tell me the 5 components we use to build in the circuit today. And if you get it right, you enter to win a free electronic kit with a breadboard LED, 9-volt battery, connector wire, everything you need to building at home. And I will read every comment myself, and winner will be announced in the next week's episode. And I will also message you directly if you are picked. And this is open to everyone watching anywhere in India. So scroll down, type your answer right now before you forget, and we will see you in episode 3. Thank you for watching. Bye.